Hello everyone, today let us talk about managing stress and burnout. What is stress or burnout? Stress or burnout is a physiological and psychological response to challenges and pressure. It is the body's way of reacting to a demand or threat. When a person experiences stress, the body releases stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline, which trigger the fight or flight response. This response can help a person to perform better under pressure and handle a dangerous situation. However, when stress becomes chronic, and the body is constantly alert, it can lead to negative physical and mental health effects such as headaches, anxiety, depression, and even heart disease. People typically feel stress and burnout when overwhelmed by their responsibilities, pressure, or demands. This can happen at work, home, school, or any other area with a lot of stress or tension. Some common causes of stress and burnout include long working hours, unrealistic deadlines, heavy workloads, relationship problems, financial difficulties, or health issues. Symptoms of stress and burnout can include physical exhaustion, fatigue, irritability, hopelessness or helplessness, changes in sleep patterns, decreased productivity, and reduced enjoyment in activities that once brought pleasure. If these symptoms persist and interfere with daily life, seeking help and taking steps to manage and reduce stress is essential. For example, stress and burnout could be an ambitious individual who works long hours in a high-pressure job, such as an investment banker. Despite their hard work, they still feel as though they are falling behind and cannot keep up with the demands of their job. They start to feel physically and mentally exhausted, with symptoms such as difficulty sleeping, decreased energy levels, and a general sense of unhappiness. They also struggle to find joy in activities they used to enjoy, such as exercise or spending time with friends and family. This individual may be experiencing stress and burnout, so they must manage their stress and prevent further burnout. Anyone can experience stress, regardless of background, age, or circumstances. However, specific populations are at higher risk for anxiety and burnout, including healthcare workers and other frontline workers are exposed to high levels of trauma and stress. People with demanding jobs, long work hours, and heavy workloads. Individuals are caretakers, such as parents, people with disabilities, or those who care for elderly relatives. People have a lot of responsibility, such as managers or business owners. People have experienced trauma or adversity, such as abuse, neglect, or military combat. People with mental health conditions, such as anxiety or depression. It's important to note that everyday events like financial problems, relationship issues, and unexpected events like natural disasters can also cause stress. There are some ways to manage stress and prevent burnout. Practice good self-care. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and engaging in physical activity. Set boundaries. It's important to set limits on work and other demands to ensure you have time for yourself and those you love. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a mental health professional about what you're going through. Practice mindfulness. This can include meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply focusing on the present moment. Change your environment. Consider changing your work environment or seeking a new job if your current one is causing excessive stress. Identify and challenge negative thought patterns. This can help you to reframe your perspective and see challenges as opportunities for growth. Prioritize time for relaxation and recreation. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as reading, playing sports, or listening to music. Learn to say no. It's essential to prioritize your well-being and avoid taking on more than you can handle. Everyone experiences stress and burnout differently, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find what works best for you and make it a part of your daily routine. Additionally, changing your lifestyle and environment, such as reducing workload, improving time management skills, and seeking a healthy work-life balance, can help reduce stress and prevent burnout. I hope this short video can give a bit of help, and thanks for watching.